Hello friends, myself Srimati Shital Yash Shavale from RBH Kanya Junior College, Malegaon Camp. Welcomes to you in today's online session in chemistry for 12th science students. In today's session, we will see actinide series. The last row elements in the periodic table is the actinide series. It begins with thorium with atomic number 90 and ends at lawrencium with atomic number 103. Here, after this actinium, from thorium to lawrencium, these 14 elements are placed in actinide series. At the bottom of the periodic table, in the last row, these 14 elements are placed from thorium with atomic number 90 to lawrencium with atomic number 103. This series of 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium, in which the differentiating electrons are progressively filled in 5f orbitals in pre-penultimate shell, are called actinides. They having a general electronic configuration is a radon with atomic number 86, 5f 1 to 14, 60, 0 to 1, 7s2. After actinium having an atomic number 89, which having electronic configuration of actinium is given here. The last electron enters into 6d1, 7s2, 6d orbital. Here, this radon having atomic number 86, the electronic configuration of radon is also given here. The electronic configuration of actinium is a radon 6d1, 7s2 or radon 5f0, 6d1, 7s2. Actinium having electronic configuration radon 5f0, 6d1, 7s2. After actinium, the electrons enters progressively into 5f orbitals. Having a general electronic configuration radon 5f 1 to 14, 6d, 0 to 1, 7s2. There are 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium. They follow actinium. Hence they are called as actinoids. There are 5f series elements, and for convenience they are placed separated below the periodic table. You can see here the electrons are successively filled up into 5f series. That's why these elements are called as 5f series elements. They follow this actinium. That's why this series is named as actinide series. Then oxidation states of actinoids. +3 oxidation state is a more common oxidation state in actinoids. This is due to the loss of one electron from 6d and two electrons from 7s orbitals. This actinium, thorium shows +2 oxidation state also. Thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, curium shows +4 oxidation states. The elements americium and thorium shows +2 oxidation state in some compounds. For example, thorium iodide THI2, the elements thorium, protactinium, neptunium, plutonium and americium shows +5 oxidation states. This neptunium and plutonium exhibits highest oxidation state of +7 in some compounds. You can see here the chart showing the oxidation state, various oxidation states shown by actinoids. +7 oxidation state shown by neptunium, plutonium and americium. Then some of the similarities of lanthanides and actinides are shown here. These lanthanides and actinides involve filling of f orbitals, and thus are similar in many respects. There is the filling of f orbitals can be takes place in lanthanides and actinides, 4f and 5f. The most common oxidation state is +3 for both lanthanides and actinides. Both are electropositive in nature and thus they are very reactive. Magnetic and spectral properties exhibited by both lanthanides and actinides. They both exhibit magnetic and spectral properties. This actinide exhibit actinide contraction just like lanthanides. There is also decrease in atomic and ionic radii with increasing atomic number in actinide series. This is known as actinide contraction. These are the some of the similarities between lanthanides and actinides. After similarities, then the differences in lanthanides and actinides. Besides this +3 oxidation state, lanthanides also shows oxidation state of +2 and +4, while actinide shows higher oxidation states of +4, +5, +6 and +7. Lanthanide ions are colorless, while most of the actinide ions are colored. Then actinides having a greater tendency towards complex formation as compared to lanthanides. The complex formation tendency of actinides is greater as compared to lanthanides. Then lanthanide compounds are less basic while actinide compounds are having appreciable basicity. Actinides form few important oxocations such as UO2 plus, PuO2 plus, etc. Such oxocations are not known for lanthanides. This lanthanide forms oxocations of uranium and plutonium. Almost all actinides are radioactive while lanthanides except promethium they are non-radioactive. The magnetic properties of actinides can be easily explained while it is difficult to explain the properties of these lanthanides. Then common properties. All the actinide elements are radioactive. These elements having no stable isotopes. These actinides are highly electropositive in nature. The metal tarnish readily in air. These elements are pyrophoric, means they spontaneously ignite in the air, particularly as finely divided powder forms. Actinides are very dense metals with distinctive structures. Numerous allotropes can be formed, plutonium having at least 6 allotropes. The exception of actinium which having a fewer crystalline phases. They react with boiling water or diluted acid to release hydrogen gas. These are some of the common properties of actinides. Then actinide contraction, there is a decrease in atomic and ionic radii from across this actinide series. This is known as actinide contraction. Then next to this is transuranic elements. In actinide series, elements with atomic number greater than 92, they are man-made, are called as transuranic elements. They are artificially prepared elements from neptunium with atomic number 93. They are from neptunium with atomic number 93 to lawrencium with atomic number 103. Recently, elements from Rutherfordium with atomic number 10 and 4 to atomic number 118, that is an octium UUO, an octium with atomic number 118 in 60 series have also been considered as transuranic elements. All the transuranic elements are radioactive. They are total 26 elements, transuranic elements are identified or synthesized artificially.